If you're practicing, you know who's not following rules. Welcome to California. It's also a prerequisite with... Is it? Oh shit! Okay. You're not gonna be able to make a left turn anymore.
Oh shit.
Don't make a left turn. See, we saw it green. Turn. DRiViNG. If you're practicing, you know who's not following rules. Is it? Oh shit! Okay. You're not gonna be able to make a left turn anymore.
Oh, and the police is right there.
Okay, they're gonna close this down. You cannot go left anymore. Did you see it?
I didn't see, I only heard.
Okay, we have a dash cam. I can't go left anymore. We have to clear the intersection.
Should I turn off my turn?
It's alright, it's alright. Okay, let's go make a U-turn. Make a U-turn instead. Let's wait for whatever happens. Because they have to clear those debris.
Should we reverse a little bit?
Yeah. It's alright.
Oh, there's room.
Okay, there's no more?
I don't feel like there's
It's
room.
alright. Okay, this is still part of your training. The traffic went back to normal. So I think you just have to watch out for those debris. Whose car parts are those?
It's the black car.
The black car?
Yeah, the one that was...
It's a black car. The black car is going this way, right? And then the gray car is going this way, right?
I think so,
yeah. Okay, when you have like those in your road, you just have to not hit those. In your exam, if you have debris, you cannot hit those.
Should I try to put it like
A bit towards a bit wider, just to
Okay.
get past those debris. You know what happened, right? Most likely the gray kind of tried to beat the red light. Because it's already green for those. Okay, the only question is, how could you not see it?
Yeah.
Alright? It's two-way. I mean, let's go make a left. Okay, just try to put it in the middle, just like what you did. Let's go. Okay, thank you. Okay, we're out. Okay, it's just part of the road. You can always avoid those. See? Cannot just make a right turn on red. Just go straight, please. When you are in a hurry, that's what happens. Okay, keep going straight, please. Keep the middle lane, then we go straight, please. Okay, do what you did.
Oh,
There you go. I was thinking a couple of days ago, who did that? Who did that? Then I realize it now. Just now. Because we went to the same route.
because my mom said something about that.
I don't allow it. Not everyone knows it.
Mm-hmm.
But if you know it, then you've tried it before, then you go. Go do it. I'm always going to support an extra knowledge from a personal perspective. That thing that you saw a while ago, it's applicable to this when they are pulling out. You have to watch out. Let's go straight, please. And at Marshall, let's go make a right turn at Marshall, please. And you'll have to watch out for the solid lines. See this one? Solid line over there. Let's go make a right turn, please. Okay, this is a very important lesson. Oh, you don't steer. You don't steer. You just wait for them. Once you're good, let's go. Because they're halfway. Once this is halfway, you can go. You don't have to wait for them until they're at the curb. But if they're going towards you, you have to wait until the curb. Okay, let's go. Change lane to the left, please. See those? Let's go left turn, please. Nobody's here. They don't want to play with us. Okay, we're going to practice your Carl's Jr. Let's go straight, and then at the traffic light we're going to make a right turn, please. Okay, right turn. Keep right, and then let's go make a right turn. Every time you have this is a yield. This is exactly what Carl's Jr. has. So you stop before the line, then you check. You only go when clear. Alright? There you go. You go. Let's go make a right. Keep looking. Don't stop looking. That's the dangerous part. Change lane to the farthest left, please. Change lane. Okay, one more time. Up to the farthest left, please. Okay, very good. See, you traffic check every single lane. That's one lane at a time, right? One lane at a time, and every single time there is over the shoulder. Very good. If I'm your examiner, you already passed. We've made a couple of U-turns, right? Let's go make a U-turn, please. Oh, don't do that. That's too fast. Being in a hurry. Foot on brakes, steer all the way. 5 to 10 miles per hour. There you go. Okay, let's go keep right. Let's go make a right turn at the traffic light, please. Okay, look at the bike lane. Okay. There you go. See? Bike lane. You have to cross it. There you go. And it's a green. So you keep going. See? Then you use this one. What is this again? Merging. And then we go directly to Supreme Crowd. Yay! See, now you know. You see the bike lane. Therefore, you have to perform the signal mirror over the shoulder. But that's not a merging. That's different from a stop sign bike lane. A stop sign bike lane, you have to go on top of it. That one, you have to go over it. Let's go inside DMV, please. Let's go make a left. Do you tell your dad? Checked. If it's red, you do what we did. Let's go make a left turn. You stop at the line, then you traffic check first. It becomes a yield sign. A yield sign is you have to stop for traffic, you check, go in here. You're not waiting for anything. Okay, let's go straight, please. We're back again. Okay, let's go straight, please. Catch you again. Okay, let's go make a left here, please. You get honked at for doing the right thing. One time we got honked at but by a taxi driver.
Oh.
San Mateo. It hurts your feelings. It's going correct. Hurts your feeling because you're doing the right thing and they just honk at you. Now you can go. See, they're too far. Okay, we go straight from here, please. Very good. Traffic light. Let's go make a right turn, please.
Was that too early?
That's good. That's very good. Very first broken line. That's very good. Okay, remember there's nothing here, so it's a bit easier. Once they are with parked cars, it's gonna get a bit tight, just like that. So you still have to go in. You just have to make sure. See, this is the purpose of it. See, they can go in and then just go straight. You're not obstructing them. Then you only go on green. No examiner will fail you because you went on a green light. You waited for the green light. If they fail you, you report it to DMV immediately. Because they have now changed the rules. Alright, let's go straight, please. This is 30. Go straight, please. You know this route.
Yes, I remember doing it wrong 2 times.
Alright, very good. Because you always go to your main road. If you go here, you're not connected to the merging lane. You went the wrong way. That's also lane use. It's like you're changing lanes inside the intersection. Unconsciously, but it changes the entire dynamics because you're not in your main road anymore. And then just do that. Not this corner. The next one, let's go make a left turn, please. Next corner, left turn.
I should have waited for them.
Yes.
I couldn't tell. Because I'm not supposed to stop, right?
You can stop.
I can stop there? Okay.
As long as there's someone coming, you have to stop.
Okay.
Because there might be someone walking. It's alright. You only need to stop there. You just kind of you saw someone's coming, that's why you went faster. Okay, examiner. It's not gonna tell you anything. It's not gonna tell you stop. No. They see that you're in danger. They're not gonna let you go. It's basically just like going inside DMV. You have to stop because you have to traffic check again.
Okay.
There might be someone walking, so you cannot just simply go for it. It's gonna make a right turn. Again, it's all about, it falls into safety, right? Everything is just safety. Everything that we're doing here is for safety. Oh, you have to go there. Not enough. See? Up to there. Side mirror and the curve. They might be practicing this one. Let's go straight. We don't pull anymore. They might be practicing. Okay, let's go make a left turn here, please. Get out of our route. Don't pretend you're not practicing. Go make a right. See, pay attention to your turn, to your second stop. Because you got the idea. It's just that the execution a bit more up to here. See, you see this one. That's okay, and then you don't do anything about that anymore. That's too far.
That's too far.
Yeah, you can now go. Yeah, you can now go. See, you don't do anything anymore. You just go there. See?
Okay.
If you go, you can only do like add more, but you cannot go like this anymore. It gives you a deduction. Okay, let's go straight, please. At next corner, let's go make a right turn, please. This one, no more. We don't have anymore. Let's go straight a bit more. Okay, let's see if you're going to merge properly. At the corner, let's go make a right turn. Okay, let's number one is there you go. Go out of the main road. There you go. That's the purpose of the merging. You have to get on the bike lane. Now the bikers will follow you, and you have to get out of the main road. So that's it. That's your merging into the bike lane. That's why if you don't merge, you're obstructing the main road.
If I have to turn left,
Yeah.
like out of the DMV, like not out of the DMV, but at the stop sign, the first stop sign,
Yeah.
will there be backing if I get that route?
Left on the DMV.
Like
No more.
No? Okay. It's only...
That's going to be merging into the bike lane and left turning on green,
Okay.
and then a couple of single stops. No more pulling into the curb. But still, be prepared because that's a business area. Let's go right turn. Oh, you see this? It's not proper. Because you have to go there. Oh, that's second stop. See, they did not perform the first stop. That's what you're supposed to be. That's how you should look like. One golden rule: go when clear. Don't move. They will fail you. Oh, they're making a right, so you know you can go. See, those are the dynamics of your turns. If you see that the one coming in is going to make a right, then you can now go and make your right turn. But if you don't see a turn signal, you know they're going either straight or they just forgot to turn signal. So that's when you need to really check, or else you're going to put yourself in a bind where you get to, you're committed, and then they go straight. That's a fit for us. Let's go straight, please. We keep going straight, please. You just have to pay attention to one intersection at a time. Don't overthink. If you overthink, you're gonna go crazy because you don't know the answers for all of those questions from the middle and because this is what you have. That's it. All the things that happen to us while we're practicing, you'll never know if it's going to be the same thing, right? But you will have an idea. It's like you can say, I've seen this before. I know what to do with this. So that's the purpose of the practice, because it gives you the experience on the road. New Jersey. You go back here with a Utah plate. Let's go straight, please. Straight, please. Keep this lane and keep going straight, please. This is the end of your exam.